All right, if you want to plant fallen seeds so you have trees and bushes for the spring or the next summer, you got to plant them in fall or spring. I've got my seed here. These are fall seed. You'll have spring seed that also will fall. You'll need some bark and a good shovel, and let's do it. It's real simple here. You're just going to shove your shovel down in the ground. Get as deep as you can. Back and forth, make a hole. Okay, and there's your hole. Okay, take a handful of your harvested seed, put it in the hole, get it all in there, and then you want to cover it up with pine bark. So I grabbed my pine bark here, get a good handful of it. You're going to find your hole and put it over your seed. That's it, man. It'll grow. Spring or fall. Either way, just get your whatever seed is the seasonal seed. Just make the hole, put the seed in there, cover it with pine bark. Do not cover it with soil. Don't pack it down, and you'll have them growing up the next season. Also, make sure the seeds are solid that you're using. They're not split or cracked in any fashion. The greener the better if you can. Do it to it.